Why'd you kick me, senpai?
How are you back in here?
Wanna see me do the renegade? Renegade.
What's your talent? What's your talent? Just show me your talent. Hurry up.
Okay. Yeah, Ichini-san. Yeah, Agirato. Yeah, Ichini-san. Yeah, Agirato. Like my talent?
What's your name again?
That right, mate.
What?
Yeah, mate. Do you not hear me, mate?
What are you
Are you
talking
from
about?
England?
Who?
Link,
what?
link, link.
What the fuck?
Act 3 never ever medal, Act 3 never ever medal, Act 3 never ever medal. Weeds, get the hell out.
Two hot dogs, about 500 calories. Nice diet, bro. Who said I'm on a diet? First of all. And second of all, if you think 500 calories is a lot for someone who eats 2 meals a day, are you some kind of actual fucking retard?